Yes, everywhere in the house gotta smell good. Everywhere in the house gotta smell good. Let me share with you how I come up with this amazing orange peel solution to clean your entire house. Welcome you all. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, click that red button to subscribe. And also when you subscribe, click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload the video. Today guys, I know a lot of you guys are home. A lot of you guys have not been making money. Even if you're making money, I want to share with you the best way to clean the counter, the floor, anything, even the fridge or the microwave, very cost ineffective with orange peel. In here is grated orange peel. So what you need to do after you have eaten your orange, dry them in a shady place for a couple of days and grind them to bring them into the powder consistency. And then after that, you need to get a bottle or a jar. You put the powder of the orange peel, and then you're gonna add some vinegar. I did this last night. Make sure that you let this sit at least for 24 hours. After this sits for 24 hours, you need to sieve because there's still some. And then you're gonna get a sieve and you sieve it out. Smells so good. Orange smells so good. So you can imagine when you clean your house, after cleaning the surface or cleaning the floor, the whole house will be smelling of citrus. It's much better than buying air freshener because you don't know what it's made of. And then you take the lemon and you're gonna squeeze in some lemon. Now you have your awesome cleaning agent. Use your old spray bottle, and I'm going to transfer this into the spray bottle. Now this solution here cleans everything. Let's start from the fridge. So any kind of fridge, if you have this kind of fridge, that's awesome. It cleans out all the marks, all the stains on the fridge handle. It looks so new again. You can see yourself from the mirror. You can see yourself from the fridge. The same thing goes to your microwave, the glass. Doesn't matter, your cooker, everything, it cleans it like squeaky clean. It really also gives a very good clean on your kitchen counter, your bathroom counter. They smell so good. You don't have to worry about moving your fruits and vegetables because this is antibacterial. You also use vinegar to wash out your fruits and vegetables. Right here is the toaster. You can also spray this and clean out your entire toaster. This is very good. Wooden table, wooden floor, anything you have at home, even glass. It cleans out the glass like you can never imagine. So this also cleans your wooden table. It takes away all the dullness from the woods on the table and they look so clean. And look at the stairs too. If you have wooden stairs, use this everywhere clean in the house and smells some citrus in your house. So you can imagine when somebody just walks inside your house, or when even you come home, everywhere you open the door, you smell the aroma of the orange citrus. So this is a quick trick, one of the things that I do, how to clean the house, to keep the house sanitized and to keep the house looking so clean and smelling so fresh. So guys, I hope this makes your day. Go ahead and try the cleaning with orange peel. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Bye. Do you have any other solution that is made from your kitchen that you use to clean your home? Share your thoughts and your comments down below.